everyone, welcome to Miss Lego Master Christmas. Today we're going to be building a Christmas tree with this. Now you can easily look at it. And then I have already constructed my pieces here. Go ahead and take a look at these. I'll give you a little bit of time to do that. And the last one. So you can pause the video if you need a little extra time. Now I'm just trying to make this quicker. We're going to start putting these on. Now these are hard to get on, so you have to find the right one sometimes. Okay, so I just finished mine. Now, as you noticed, I changed a couple of the things around because it might not have worked for you. Now, for the very last one, I'm trying to make this as quick as possible for you guys. So most of the stuff you do is pausing the video. Now, what we're going to add is one more thing to the bottom, a little green face. Now, there. Now, it still might not stand up for you. It doesn't stand up for me. So another thing you could do is just take that step off. Like that. And now I've taken two pieces, and I'm going to put them together for the star. Now take your big glass of water and take a sip. Bye everybody. Thank you for watching Miss Lego Master Christmas. Be sure to check out some of my other videos. I can name some of them. We have a turkey with legs, mashed potatoes, a kitty, haunted house, a car, a pet playhouse, and much more, like a perfume waterfall. But there's still more. And don't forget, I'm still making videos. But in order to see all that in an easier way, you can subscribe. And don't forget to tell your friends and family about this. Thank you. Bye.